Imagine you're looking up at a bright blue sky, and in the blink of an eye, the sun simply isn't there. No warning, no explosion, just gone. For the first 8 minutes, life goes on like nothing happened. That's how long sunlight takes to reach us. Then darkness hits. Stars flood the sky. The temperature plummets within hours, and every plant on Earth stops making oxygen. After a week, Earth would be colder than Antarctica, around -100 degrees Celsius. Oceans would start freezing from the top down. People might hide underground, powered by nuclear or geothermal energy. But farming would be nearly impossible. In gravity, that's instant. The second the sun disappears, its pull is gone. Earth and the other planets break free, flying off into endless space like lost marbles. Asteroids scatter, moons drift away, and our solar system unravels, while our lonely planet sails into the black forever. Hard to even picture, right? Subscribe to IF for more mind-bending what-if worlds, where science meets the impossible.